Hello.
Welcome back.
Assalamu alaikum.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
كيف الحال؟
الحمد لله. كيف حالك أنت؟ شيخ بارك إن شاء الله.
Alhamdulillah.
الحمد لله.
Are you from in California?
Where am I from in California? Is that what you said? Hello, how are you today?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm great. My name is Sami. What is your name? Muhammad. Assalamu alaikum, Muhammad.
Alaikum salam. How are you?
الحمد لله. كيف أنت؟
Alhamdulillah.
الحمد لله. How can I help you today, my dear brother from another mother?
You from?
I'm from California, San Francisco.
California.
Yeah.
How is today?
Alhamdulillah. It's okay.
Your picture is not, I think, hacked. Can you please check it your network?
Afwan?
Can you please check it your network?
Can I please take what?
Your voice is not getting. Are you hearing?
Your voice is ضعيف جدا. أنت صوت ضعيف جدا. لا فهمت لي.
Hello.
Yes, now I can hear you good.
Yeah, good.
Yeah. كويس.
How is today?
Today is fine. How about you, brother?
Good. So good. It's
All
going
right.
on.
All right, so you picked
I'm from India.
You're from India. Okay.
Yeah, South India and Tamil Nadu. Now living in Dubai, Middle East.
Okay. UAE. How's UAE treating you?
Yeah, good. Now it's going on very hot in temperature.
Yeah, it's very hot temperature. You're right.
Now is job market is slowed down.
Yeah.
Is because of coronavirus and almost finished the construction field also.
Yeah, that's true.
So it will be tourist place in future.
It will be what?
How is that? Will be the tourist city. Almost the infrastructure.
Okay. So
how is in your city? The coronavirus pandemic.
Yeah, it's terrible. It's
Terrible.
terrible. Yeah. It's they opened everything back up because they're worried about the economy, and then the coronavirus is going back up again. So I don't think they're going to have a quarantine again. I mean, I don't see why they should. They should just, see what happens. Let everybody go back to work, and whatever happens, happens, I guess.
Yeah. The economics is collapsed.
No, not now. Everyone's. Not everything is back to the way it was, but people are going back to work. Mm-hmm. But schools are still not open. The schools are being safe, so they're not open. But a lot of business.
Is office and construction, office and industrial field all back to normal?
Say again?
In US?
It is normal, but it's people are, trying. They're going back to work.
Social distance.
Yeah, social distancing. Some people are wearing masks. Yeah. Yani, it's not 100% good, but it's...
What about in your hometown?
Say again?
What about your hometown?
Yeah, my hometown is San Francisco. So it's not... there's a lot of people in San Francisco, so it's not back to normal. Like I said, it's not back to normal, but yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway.
I saw your profile picture. You put in...
Sir, you said?
Yeah. Book publisher, you? I saw your profile picture.
Yeah. I published some books, yes. Alhamdulillah.
Which kind of books?
Books on mentoring, leadership, personal development, project management. Yeah, pretty much that.
How many books you written? You written all books?
Yeah, about 6 or 7, or maybe more.
6, 7. Mm-hmm. It will be available in Amazon or in...
Yeah. It's. I can give you a link. If you have Amazon Kindle Unlimited, you can read it for free.
Okay. Inshallah, I will try.
Yeah, I put it on there for free, so I can give to my students for free.
Can you please tell me the name, your book's name?
Yeah, I'll send you the link right now. That'll make it easier. You can just click on it and find it right away.
Okay.
There you go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How to develop the leadership skill?
How
Good
what?
leadership skill. Can you? How to develop the good leadership skill?
Oh, the leadership skills is not available on Amazon right now. Yeah. It's still being, there's some drawings and the cover. There's still some more design work. Maybe, I don't know when it'll be done. Yeah. Maybe a month or so, or maybe inshallah shorter. Yeah. Are you still there?
Also, yeah.
Okay, your video.
What are you good? Your video is not buffing. Something is problem in internet, I think.
Yeah, maybe your internet's a little bit weak.
Yeah, absolutely.
Could be. I'm gonna check mine and see why we're talking. Let's see. I can already tell.
How long have you been working in Cambly?
I've been in Cambly off and on.
Off and on?
Yeah, off and on for a while.
Yeah.
Maybe like 3 years. Sometimes Sometimes I work.
Can you please talk about the public speaking?
Talk about public speaking?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What are a good public speaking skill? How to develop the skill?
How to get the skill for public speaking? Practice.
Yes, absolutely.
Practice, and then more practice.
How to introduce the presentation?
How to what? During project development, I don't do presentations on public speaking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Yeah, you just have to practice your speaking in order to be good at public speaking, and you have to speak at kind of a not slow pace, but you can't speak fast because there's many different people in the audience. So if you speak too quickly, then they're not going to understand you. They're not going to understand the seminar. They're not going to understand the material. So you have to speak at a normal pace, kind of like I am speaking to you now. Yeah.
Yeah.
Because not everyone. Go ahead. Sorry.
You know Arabic? You speak the Arabic?
Yes, I speak Arabic. Yes.
Yeah. Good.
Alhamdulillah.
You have been visited in Middle East?
Middle East. I don't know. I've been to Morocco. That's not really the Middle East. No, I haven't been to the Middle East.
Morocco.
Turkey, Morocco, Spain. Yeah.
In Europe also?
Yeah, I guess Turkey's kind of considered. It's Northeast Asia, but it's close to Europe. Yeah, I guess.
Yeah.
So I noticed you picked a lesson today. Did you want to do this lesson, the best pet?
Yeah, I want general conversation today.
Oh, just general conversation. Okay.
I want to build up my vocabulary and also build up.
So to speak fluently, you should take an English course.
Yes, absolutely. That's why I talked to you.
All right. So let me give you a link. And
Send me.
You can download these books, and you can practice them online with me. It's an actual English course that I've taught at institutes and universities. Most of the students, after they finish, score between a 7 and an 8 on IELTS. Now, this is an actual accredited college course. It takes 15 to 16 weeks to finish. Okay. It's an hour a day, 5 days a week. Now you
Yes.
can finish it much sooner on Cambly.
It will be available the native speaker in one-on-one like that class.
Pardon me?
Yeah.
Pardon me?
Yeah. I
I
need
was,
to speak one-on-one class like that. I want to practice more.
yeah. So that's what I was about to say. You can finish it sooner on Cambly because it's one-on-one class. So it's
Yes.
you'll finish it much quicker. Maybe 3 or 4 weeks quicker. Depends on your abilities.
Inshallah, I will try.
You're welcome. I hope to see you. Can come and take some classes. And let's see, how long have you been on Cambly? Okay. Have you ever done any exercises? Let me give you a couple other things. This is a good
It will
website.
be like the payment, or how much the cost will be?
How much what?
What is the payment like that? That link you sent me.
Yeah, the first link was the book. The second book,
Yeah, okay.
The second book is English lessons that you can take online with me.
Okay.
The third link is thesaurus.com.
Okay.
That's so you can look up.
That will be conversation.
Pardon me?
That will be conversation class. Third link.
Are you able to hear me? Okay. Can you hear me? Okay.
I got it.
Okay, because
I'm hearing.
I'm still talking, and then you start talking, so I'm thinking you can't hear me. So I haven't finished explaining to you.
Yeah,
anyway,
tell me. Sorry, I interpret.
That's okay. I forgot what I was saying. Well, I forgot. So, anyways, you can take a look at these places, and you'll be able to figure out what everything is. I'm sure there's some good tools for you to work with, and some exercises you can do with me, and some tools you can use on your own.
Okay, inshallah, I will try to you.
Yeah, it'll make your life easier. May Allah make all of your affairs in this life and the next easy, my good brother. Ameen.
Yes. Ameen.
Do you have any questions for me? Ask me anything you like.
Yeah, what about the economic after the coronavirus pandemic? The China and America, China will be take over?
I don't know. I don't speculate, on the future. Whatever Allah has written is fine with me. I just accept it. I'm one of those persons. I really don't think about. I just try to worship Allah, create as many witnesses as I can for Amal Qiyamah, and I don't worry about the Chinese, the Americans, or these other people. I just worry about my fellow Muslim brothers and sisters. And I don't speculate. I don't care what the economy does. Allah provides. Allah Kareem. If He wants to take all of their wealth and dump it in the river, that's alhamdulillah. All right, brother. It was very nice to meet you today. And if you have any questions, you can send me a message on the Cambly Messenger. All right.
Yeah.
All right. Allah ma'ak, my good brother. Stay cool, huh?
Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa barakatuh. Bye-bye.
Take care. Nice day.